In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a loop using Filmora. If you're looking to seamlessly extend portions of your video by repeating them, this is the perfect method for you. Let's jump right into it and make the process clear and straightforward. First, you need to go to Filmora, which is a versatile video editing software that many creators use for its simplicity and powerful features. Open up the Filmora application on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it online and follow the installation instructions. Once you have it installed, launch the program and you'll be greeted by the main dashboard where all the editing magic happens. Next, let's focus on creating a loop. This step is crucial if you want to extend a part of your footage to emphasize a moment or create a specific ambiance. To begin with, load your video into the project by clicking on the Import button. Once uploaded, you'll see your video clip appear in the media library. Now drag the clip from the media library down to the timeline at the bottom. This is where all the editing takes place, and it's where you'll construct your loop. Once your clip is on the timeline, you're going to duplicate the video. This is how we create a loop, by repeating the clip consecutively on the timeline. Select your clip on the timeline, then use the copy and paste function, usually achieved by right-clicking the clip and selecting copy, and then pasting it immediately after the original clip. You can do this as many times as you'd like to extend the duration of your loop. This method ensures a smooth transition from the end of one loop to the beginning of the next, allowing the video to play seamlessly. If you want a longer loop, keep duplicating until you reach the desired length. Just make sure to align each clip precisely on the timeline to maintain a seamless flow. And just like that, you're done. You've created a loop in Filmora that can serve various creative purposes, whether it's for artistic effect, creating background visuals, or reinforcing a message in your video. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, proceed to export your video. You can do this by clicking the Export button, which will allow you to select your preferred format and resolution. Choose your settings based on where you plan to share or use the video, and after a short rendering process, your looped video will be ready for use. So there you have it. Now you know how to effectively use Filmora to create loops in your video projects. Thank you for watching, and make sure to try it out in your next editing session.